मेरी खल्लों
ਡੰਡਾਉਤ ਬੰਦਨ ਅਨਕਬਾਰ ਸਰਬ ਕਲਾ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਡੋਲਣ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੋਰ ਮੈਂ ਗੁੰਗਾ कहता हूँ तेरा सदका तेरी शरण सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी ਜਿਉ ਜੰਤਰੀ ਹੱਥ ਜੰਤਰ ਲੈ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ we're blessed again to be gathered to be learning from the Vara of Bhai Sahib Bhai Gurdas Sahib ji the Gursikh and the Vara that have been blessed by Guru Arjan Dev Sahib ji as the key to understanding Gurbani and Gursikhi. We have last time started the second Var and we have now reached the second Pauri of this second Var. In the last Pauri, Bhai Sahib Ji was giving the ustati of Waheguru in terms of how they work, how their creation works, how we live our lives within the creation. Whatever we search for, that is what we'll find. If we want positivity, we'll get positivity. If we want negativity, we'll find negativity. In this Pauri now, Bhai Sahib Ji is going to describe the omnipresent, the omni-existence in other words, God existing, Waheguru existing everywhere in all of their creation, and they're going to give different examples. In this Pauri, Bhai Sahib Ji is going to use an instrumentalist, somebody who plays music. They're going to use that as an example of describing how Waheguru exists everywhere. Let us focus and concentrate on this Pauri. Satnam Sri Waheguru Sahib Ji, Jyo Jantri Hat Jantar Le. So somebody who plays music, Jyo Jantri Hat. Jantri Hat, in his hands, Jantar Le. He has his musical instrument. Sab Rag Bajaye, he plays different music. So a person who's a musician, instrumentalists, in his hand he holds his musical instrument and then he plays different rags, he plays his music. Bhai Sahib Ji continues, Ape son son magna hoye, Ape guna gaye. He himself, not only is he playing the music, and we are, let's say if we're listeners to that music, not only we listen and get excited by that music, the musician gets excited himself by his own music that he's playing. Ape son son magan hoy. Listening to his own tunes, he remains immersed within that himself. Ape gun guy. And then he continues singing. He continues eulogizing and singing those praises of whatever he's doing, whatever music he's singing. Sabad surta live lean hoy. Ap rij rijai. So now let's think of ourselves. Sabad Surt live lean hoy. He himself is also live lean, basically immersed and one with the Shabad he is singing. So let's focus it away from the music and think of Gurbani and the Shabad. He himself is, but we as listeners are also. Sabad Surt live lean hoy. He, by listening, his concentration is within the Shabad, and so he, Waheguru, they are live lean, they are one within it. Aap reej reejai, and they become excited and elated by listening to that Shabad. Katata bhakta aap hai surta live lai. So katata and bhakta. Katata is the one who speaks. Bhakta is the one. Katata bhakta, the one who speaks, and the one who obviously listens. So that as well as the speaker, he is the listener. So this is where God. So God is given as the Shabad, the Gurbani that we're listening to, but at the same time within us, he is also the listener, because he listens, because he exists in us. He's the listener as well as the one who's giving the teaching, the Surta Livalai. So just as he himself is immersed, us as listeners, we also become immersed. But Bhai Sahib Ji is describing, Ape aap vismad hoye sarbang samay. Ape aap vismad hoy. So we as the listener are becoming in tune with that. We're becoming one with that. But actually, it's Waheguru's jyot within us that is becoming one with that. So it's Waheguru existing in us. It's due to Waheguru's kirpa that we are joining with that. We can't join ourselves. We need their blessings to be able to join and become one with Waheguru and have that concentration and focus. Sarbang samai. And then because he permeates himself within all, he is existing in the creation. That is why he can enjoy himself within the Shabad. That's how we do. If they didn't exist in us, we wouldn't be able to join. Now this is a very deep concept, and Bhai Sahib Ji saying, how do you understand that? Ape aap vartada gurmukh patiyai. Only the gurmukh who comes to the Sadh Sangat will understand that God exists in all and is existing everywhere. I cannot describe in words how that is because I can't show you that. Only a Gurmukh who comes into Sadh Sangat, joins with the Shabad, they will experience and understand how God exists everywhere. If that is the teaching of the second Pauri, they've used a musician and his music to describe God's existence everywhere. Bhai Sahib Ji has. If I've made any mistakes in sharing these teachings, I beg for forgiveness. Let us hope and pray that Guruji blesses us all with the blessing that we can all understand Gursikhi and Gurbani. Deho sajjan si sidiyan jo hove sahib su me lekha katah na shutiya khen khen pulan har बक्सन हार बक्सलै नानक पार उतार आपे आप वरतदा गुरमुख पति आए वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह
मेरी खलों